All right, one last thing before we wrap up the this tutorial on this block assembly. Um, the Again, as I mentioned before, you notice that the balloon numbers and the text on the parts list is a little small, but remember that these generally, like when you print these things out, they're printed on a large sheet of paper, so this will definitely be legible. But just, for your, FYI, if you wanted to change the size of the text here and these balloons here, um, hover your mouse over the parts list, right click, and then go down to Edit Parts List Style. Okay? And then you'll see, in this window here, you have all these different choices. Look where it says data, and you see a little pencil next to it. And it says, when you hover over it, edit text style. Left click on that, and we can change the text to, we'll go up to 6.1 millimeters. Click done. Yes. Okay. So what it's done is it's changed the text. It's basically doubled it. But it's changed the text size here in the parts list. It's changed the numbers in your balloons, and it changed these numbers along the outside edge. And then you'll have to drag, resize this box here. But you know, that's just depending on. And if you decide to print this on a regular sheet of paper, you probably would want to change the size of your font here. Let me resize this a little bit more, and then do like this. Okay, so everything fits. It's very legible, fits nicely. Um, but let's go ahead and take care of this box here, our title box. So title block box. So let's go over here to the block, over here in the browser where it says block assembly. Right click, and then we'll go down to iProperties. So here's where we can go ahead and add in um, the information that we need. So let's go over to the author. I'll put me. All right, company. Oops. All right, and project. We will call this. This will be title. Oops. Let's go back to summary. I'm sorry. Title is block assembly. And I believe that's everything that we need. Click apply, click close. So there it is. We have, what is this? This is a block assembly. This is who we are, and this is who drew it, and then it has a date in here. Okay? But, and that's all the information that you need at this point for now. But there it is. We've taken this thing from individual parts to an assembly, created an exploded view in presentation mode, then brought it back in here to the drawing file, and then numbered and named all these parts in a parts list. And so this is this pretty much, we've used all four file types in Inventor.